So this is what my hair looks like without any product and just air dried after a couple of days. I started off by washing my hair with my normal shampoo and conditioner. I then split my hair down the middle so that I could get even and fair results between the silicone diffuser and the hand diffuser. As you can see, I'm tying one side away so it doesn't mess with our experiment. I then grab my PeroSadie curling and detangling brush just to help define my curls better when I am using the diffuser. So I start off by putting the brush right on my scalp and pulling away from my scalp. This is just to enhance the curl pattern and not allow a lot of frizz. So once I was done curling, I simply scrunched all my hair up just to help define all those curls and then place my diffuser onto the blow dryer. Working from the bottom up, I started diffusing on medium heat and medium speed just so that I didn't have a lot of heat damage going onto my hair. A lot of people hold the blow dryer away from the hair and let the hair dry from a distance as opposed to scrunching up immediately, but I didn't have any products on my hair, so I didn't see the need to do so. An added tip is to tilt your head forward when you're diffusing so it adds more volume as your roots dry in an upward position. So my hair is about 90% dry and the bottom curled really well considering my color damage. I then replaced the silicone diffuser with the hand diffuser and continued to work on the other side. By repeating the same process on the other side with the PeroSadie curling and detangling brush, I did the same method, pulling the hair away from the scalp to curl it better and scrunch. Then, on medium heat and medium speed, I started on my roots as the hand can easily slip into your roots and dry it faster. This is really amazing as my roots take the longest to dry, so with the hand it's easily accessible and it dries faster. So once my roots were about 90% dry, I started again from the bottom up. I scrunched all the way up, and as you can see, it provided a lot of volume, but it also caused a lot of frizz. The frizz is partly due to the fact that I have no product on my hair, but as you can see, the hand diffuser achieved a lot more volume than the silicone diffuser, but the silicone diffuser held more definition than the hand diffuser, and you can also see this in the length of both sides. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe for more.